Hey guys, we are now looking at our Test 11 review. Okay, so it says, according to the 2020 census, the ethnic breakdown is of Georgia is as follows: 50% white, 33% Hispanic, 4% Asian, and 11% Hispanic. I promise I can read. So let's just do this. Okay, white is going to be 0.50. Black is going to be 0.33. Asian. Now be careful with 4%. It's going to be 0.04. Hispanic is 0.11. And I'm going to put OTH so I don't forget. And it's going to be other. So let's go ahead and figure out what the other is going to be. So what I'm going to do is add these all up and then subtract it by 1. And I got 0.02. Okay, so now we have all of our information available. If you select one person from the state of Georgia, what's the probability of that person not being Hispanic? So what you're going to do is add everybody except Hispanic, or you can do 1 minus the 0.11. Okay, and when you do that, I get 89. Okay, if you select one person from the state of Georgia, what's the probability of them being black or Hispanic? So remember, or means 2 plus. So it'd be 0.33 plus 0.11, which would be 0.44. If you select 5 people from the state of Georgia, what is the probability of all of them being black? Okay, so we're going to pick 5 people. So what's the probability of the first person being black? 0.33. And the second, 0.33. The third, the fourth, and the fifth. Now, I know it is a pain in the butt to type all of that in. So you can do it a shorter way. It'd be 0.33 to the fifth. Okay, you just want to be careful not do it. It's not times 5. Okay, and it's 0.004. Okay. If you select one person from the state of Georgia, what is the probability that person being other? And look, we already figured that out already. 0.02. Yay! Okay. What's the probability a student has a brother given? Okay, given. So let's calculate these. 14, 13, 12, 15, and 27. Okay, so given they have a sister. So how many sisters do we have? 12. So this goes on the bottom. Of these 12, how many of them have a brother? 2. Okay. How many, what's the probability that students do not have a brother? So since we do not have the word given, we're going to use the total. How many do not have a brother? 13. Okay, so you don't see the word given, you use the big total. Okay. What's the probability a student has a sister given they do not have a brother? So no brother. No, does not have a brother is a 13. Out of these 13, how many of them have a sister? 10. Okay. So far, so good, guys? Cool. Okay, use the following information about Montana's license plate to answer. The license plate has a number and a letter, then 4 more numbers, and then another letter. So, see right here, number, letter, number, letter. Okay. If no letters repeat, how many license plates numbers can be made for the state of Montana? Now, they don't say about numbers not repeating. So how many numbers do I have for the first spot? 10. times, I gotta get a letter, so all 26 letters are available to me. Again, I can use any number, and it doesn't say it can't repeat, so the numbers I can keep using again. So I need, how many numbers in a row? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I won't have 26 letters because they cannot repeat. I'll only have 25 available. Okay, so that's 10 to the 5th times 26 times 25, and that gives us 6. Let's see how many count. How is it? 1, 2, 6, 5, 6. Okay. We'll move this out the way. Okay. What if the letter spaces could also have a number value? Number spaces are only numbers, but letter spaces now could have a number. Okay, so numbers are only numbers, so we're still having 10. But for a letter, notice we can have a number value as well as a letter. So we have 26 numbers in the alphabet plus another 10. So we have 36 options. Times, and we have 4 more numbers, so we got 4 more 10s. Now here they didn't say we can't have repeats, so that means we still have 36 available. Okay, so 10 to the 5th times 1, 2, 9, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then these last couple questions. Okay, so we're going to be doing permutations and combinations. So remember, permutations are specific, combinations not specific. Now, specific and order mean the same thing. Okay, a blood bank needs 12 people to help with a blood drive. 17 people have volunteered. Let me see if I can make it a little clearer. Is that better? Oh, yes. Okay, so 7 people have volunteered. How many different groups of 12 can be formed out of the 17? We are not going to be given, they're not getting specific jobs, so this is going to be a C problem. Now, if those 12 people were getting specific jobs, then we would have another story. And there's only 6,188 different ways. Okay. There are 25 students running a race. How many different arrangements can first, second, and third place be? Because we want specifics, this is going to be a P problem, a permutation. So 25. And we get 13,800. John has different flags that he wants to hang up on the wall. How many ways can a flag be arranged? Okay. So order's going to matter. First off, we have one number. One number means it's 6p6. But once I put, I don't know, Georgia's flag first, then I can't put Georgia's flag second. It would have to be what, Mississippi, then Washington State, then, yeah, whoops, I hit the wrong button, 6. And there's only 720 ways to put up those flags. So I wish you luck. I will see you on page 2.